Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change background in Filmora. Changing the background on a video in Filmora can be done in just few simple steps, so let's dive into the video. First of all, launch Open Filmora application from your app drawer and import the video that you want to change the background for. Now as you can see that this would be my video and the background is right behind it. If you want to change that background to something else, you will simply need to go ahead and scroll through the bottom menu and find the background option and tap on it. Now you will be able to see the background menu from where you can select the color of your background if you want to change your background to a different color. You can also choose a style that can be downloaded at the bottom and apply this style to your background. Once you do that, you can see that the background has now changed to something else. After you are happy with your result, click on the tick mark at the bottom right, and there you have changed your background quickly and easily. Finally, after you are done, you can export your video by clicking on the export button at the top right corner. Select one of the export options from the next page, and that way you can easily save your changes to the video and download the video as well onto your mobile device. So that's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and ring the bell icon so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.